I was walking through the noise of ordinary days. Every dream felt distant, every word a maze. Then you smiled like the world slowed down in time. Suddenly the stars were learning how to align. I didn't know my heart was waiting, didn't know my soul could feel this true. Where you are, that's where I belong. In your arms, I'm finally strong. Every beat is singing your name. You're my shelter, you're my flame. If love's a road with no map or sign, I'll get lost in you every time. Your laughter feels like summer rain, washing away my doubt and pain. You see the cracks I try to hide. Still you love me, still you stay by my side. Every fear starts fading when your hand is holding mine. Where you are, that's where I belong. In your arms, I'm finally strong. Every beat is singing your name. You're my shelter, you're my flame. If love's a road with no map or sign, I'll get lost in you every time. If the night gets heavy, if the sky falls down, we'll build our hope from the broken ground. No perfect story, no perfect lines, just your heart beating next to mine. Where you are, that's where I belong. Even when the days feel wrong, I don't need the world to stay the same, as long as I hear you say